In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete statuses in ClickUp. If your workspace has accumulated status labels you no longer use, maybe a duplicate, a test label, or a stage that's no longer part of your process, cleaning them up keeps your boards tidy and your reporting accurate. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a status can affect tasks that currently use it, so make sure you're comfortable with the change and that you have permission to manage statuses in the space you're editing. First, head to ClickUp. Open the app in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the space where you want to make the change. A space is the top-level area that controls things like views, members, and, importantly, the status workflow your lists and folders use. Make sure you're in the correct space so you don't accidentally edit the wrong workflow. Next, look for the space title at the top of your screen. To the right of that name, you'll see a small menu icon with 3 dots. Click this to open the Space Settings menu. This is where you'll find options that control how work flows through this space, including the statuses that appear on tasks. From that menu, choose Task Statuses. This opens the status editor for the space. You'll see your workflow laid out in columns, usually grouped by categories like Open, In Progress, and Done. Each colored chip within a column represents a specific status that team members can select on tasks. Take a moment to scan what's here and confirm which status you want to remove. Now, in the In Progress column, find the status you want to delete. Hover over it and click the 3 dots next to that status, then select Delete. ClickUp will ask you to confirm before the change goes live. If there are tasks currently using that status, you may be prompted to choose where those tasks should go, or the system will handle it based on your workspace rules. Read the prompt carefully and confirm to finalize the deletion. That's it. The status is now removed from this space's workflow. Your boards and task dropdowns will immediately reflect the change, which helps reduce clutter and confusion for your team. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep status names clear and purposeful so teammates always know what each one means, and review your workflow periodically to retire anything that's obsolete. If you don't see the option to delete, you may need an admin or space owner to adjust permissions. With those steps, you've successfully deleted a status in ClickUp and streamlined your process.